Hi, this is Dansoy Amateur Cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning as one. It's 3 p.m. East Coast right now, Wednesday, and I'm going to bring you chicken and coconut milk with lemongrass and ginger. This recipe is inspired by Jane from the Philippines. She works abroad in Saudi Arabia. She gave me this meal idea. I never tried it before, and I want to try international recipes, so this is a good one. So for this recipe, I have chicken breast, fresh ginger, which you're going to peel and chop up. I have medium onion. I have scallions, which you're going to use the green part to garnish everything. I got lemongrass. I got coconut milk, which I'm going to use 300 milliliters, and I have salt. So we're going to go to the pan. We're going to need two different pans. I'm going to cook the chicken first in water and salt, and then after that I have to transfer it to another pan, and we're going to then finish the dish. So let's get started. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, I have the chicken breast in there, and we're going to add 1 cup of water. So we're going to add 1 cup of water to that, and then we're going to add salt. So the next thing we're going to do is kick the stove on, and we're going to cook this for 10 minutes. And then after it's cooked for 10 minutes, we're going to use another pan, and that's when we're going to add all the other ingredients. And at the end, you use the green part of the onion to as a topping. So we're going to get going. Alright, so you can see the steam and the water. We're going to cook that for 10 minutes. We're going to keep moving the chicken around. And that's when we're going to transfer it after that to another pan, and we're going to do the other ingredients. So this is chicken with coconut milk and ginger and lemongrass. Alright, so the chicken is continuing to cook. Just add a little bit more salt in there, and then we're almost done. With the technology of recording, I can skip ahead, but you're going to want to cook this for 10 minutes. Alright, so our chicken is done. We're going to move this to another pan, and I already diced the onion. So that's a medium onion, and I'm working with 2 chicken breasts, 2 chicken slices. If you wanted 4, then just double everything. So let me put this in another pan, and then we'll throw in the onion, then I'll peel that ginger and dice it, and then we'll keep going. Dansoy. Alright, so I flipped over to another pan, and we're going to throw in that medium onion in. And I have the pan on low right now. And then we're going to take our ginger and throw in your ginger. And then just start mixing everything together. It doesn't have to cook long. Let me just put the lemongrass in, and we'll be set. Alright, YouTube and Facebook. Next step is lemongrass, and you want to put a teaspoon of lemongrass in there. So let's get this started. You see how we got everything in there? You can really smell that lemon grass right now. Look at all the colors in there. So let's cook this for 1 or 2 minutes. It depends on your stove. And after that, we'll throw the last step in, which is a cup of coconut milk, and we'll let that boil, and then it's done. And then once it's done, we'll plate that, and we'll use the green part of the onion to just garnish it. So it's a quick meal. Thanks, Jane. Be back. Alright, so our chicken, onion, lemongrass, and ginger are all bonding together. They're cooking. You can see the color of the lemongrass. So we're going to cook this 1 or 2 minutes, and then that's when we're going to throw in the coconut milk until it boils, and then after that we're done. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, you can see we're cooking that lemongrass and ginger fresh into the chicken. So it's almost there. We're gonna now add a cup of coconut milk, and we're gonna then just let that cook in there until it boils, and then we're done. We'll just plate it and garnish it. Alright, so while we waited for that to cook like 2 minutes, we put a cup of coconut milk in there. It's organic, and while we were doing that, I diced up the green onion. So we're gonna add this coconut milk, and we'll do the last step. Alright, so I have the coconut milk. Now we're gonna pour that in there. And now we're just going to cook this until it boils. So that's the last, well, that's the next to the last step. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, so we're there. We got the coconut milk in there, which is organic. You could use natural organic coconut milk if you wanted to, but it's your choice. We're just going to let that cook until it boils. And then we'll remove it from the heat and plate it. And then we have the green part of the onion. We'll just top it. Like if you wanted to make rice with this, you can, or other stuff. Like I just wanted to cook the chicken and coconut milk. Just cook the dish and plate it. But like I said, you can add rice to it, to whatever you want. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, we were there. The coconut milk boiled and it became thick. I scooped it over top of the chicken, and we're ready. So you can just see how the sauce thickened up. And now it's time to reduce the heat, and we're set. So this is how you can make chicken with coconut milk and ginger and lemongrass in like 15 minutes or less. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, there it is. The chicken with coconut milk. I'm about to plate it now. I just wanted to show you one more time. And then there's extra sauce in the pan. That is a mixture of the milk, ginger, and the lemongrass. Alright, so you can see that that's the lemongrass on top with the onion and the chicken. Now we're just going to garnish this, and we're done. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, there it is. There's your chicken and coconut milk with ginger and lemongrass, topped with green onion. So today is Wednesday, your upload. Thank you, Jane, from the Philippines, from this Asian inspired recipe. I will see everyone Friday. Everyone be safe. Can you please share this and like it? And if you want, subscribe so you can get 3 to 5 updates a week. But this is how you can make this meal in 15 minutes or less. AKA Batman in the Kitchen. Dansoy out. Peace.